So I'm gonna start now. I'm living in West Africa, so this is the tip of the plug. Put it in. Ooh. There we go. Then I have my kitchen aid. I'll put it on the side of the machine with my American plug. Excuse me. There we go, fully in. All right, I guess I'm supposed to turn this on. Okay. All right, hold on. We gotta turn this off. This wasn't off. Okay. All right, put it down. There we go. Got a lock, safety lock on. All right, it's on now. And let me try. There we go. It's working like a charm. And it doesn't make any noise, so that's perfect.